Good morning, everybody, and today we are going to make a healthy, vegan, gluten-free snack. What have we here? So we have a cat. Let's get rid of the cat first, okay? A bowl. We have some almond flour. I put like 3 very full spoons of almond flour. This is a bar of chocolate that I got in Mexico. And it's good to make chocolate drinks. I have a full cup of pecans and a cup of these nuts. I've got their name at the moment. Chia seeds, coconut oil, and organic coconut sugar. Let's get her out of the way. And here, this is where I'm melting this bar of chocolate, and I'm melting it with some soya milk. You can do it with regular milk, and once it's melted, I'm just going to add it to the rest of the components. Now I'm going to take these and I'm going to crush them in my food processor, and this is what it looks like when it's done. See? Looks sandy. Okay, I'm going to start putting the components in the bowl. Okay, here we go. I'm going to add a generous 2 spoons of this organic coconut sugar. I'm going to add the almond flour. Give it a good mix. Some chia seeds, like so. Some organic cocoa, and give it a good mix. Organic coconut oil. About a flat spoon or so. This is hard right now because we're in January. And I'm going to pour this chocolate drink that I made from these. I'm going to pour it on top of the coconut oil, and of course it's going to melt. Smells delicious. I think it's going to need some maple syrup, but I'm going to taste it first. But before I do all of that, I'm just going to give it a good mix and a good stir, and we'll see what it looks like. That's what it looks like right now. I'm going to add some honey or some maple syrup. I haven't decided yet. Okay, I decided. It's going to be maple syrup. Natural maple syrup. Like so. And give it a good mix. Okay, I tasted it. It's delicious. I'm going to put it in the fridge for it to become a bit more cemented or solidified. And then we're going to continue. Okay, we're back. This came out of the refrigerator, and I'm going to coat it with gluten-free organic coconut. I'm going to work with gloves. I'm going to wash my hands with the gloves. And now I'm going to start creating little bowls, like so, and then put them inside the coconut. This will go in here and then into the refrigerator. Okay, we have the first layer, and we're going to start with the second one. Place some paper on it so it doesn't stick. And put the glove back on and continue. And here we are, a box full of these delicious, nutritious, vegan-free, gluten-free snacks. Enjoy!